Hi everyone, it's Sonia. I'm a registered dietitian, and in this video, I'm going to cover how to eat healthy in 5 foundational steps, the nutrition basics, if you will. Let's get started right away. How to eat healthy, foundational step number 1. If you do nothing else that I state in this video, at least do this. Eat balanced meals. Now, what do I mean by balanced meals? Well, balance means basically just a bit of everything. So you have carbohydrates, you have healthy fats, you have protein, and vegetables. Now, how do these balanced meals help you to eat healthy? Well, the protein, fats, and carbohydrates, they are the major nutrients that are found in food, and they are necessary and vital for body functioning and well-being. And vegetables can provide us with an abundance of vitamins and minerals for proper functioning and good health. So how can you be so sure that you're actually having a balanced meal? Well, grab a plate. For each meal, make sure that you're going to have half the plate filled with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter of the plate filled with protein, and the other quarter filled with carbohydrates. Now, if you are not used to eating that much vegetables yet, you can totally make this work for you. One of the examples is to make sure to have a third of the plate of vegetables, a third as protein, and a third as carbohydrates to start off with. Now, the second way to eat healthy and to focus on one of the most important nutritional basics is to snack healthy. Well, you might not know this, but snacking has become a huge trend and it's ever trending up. And honestly, some people have more snacks than they do actual meals per day. So how do you make snacks healthy? Well, you actually combine 2 types of foods. One type of foods is a source of carbohydrates, and another is a source of either protein or fats. So because the purpose of a snack is to hold you off until your next meal, then by combining those 2 types of foods together, it can really help you stay satisfied for longer. So the third way to eat healthy actually doesn't have anything to do with food, but rather the time that you're eating it. This is because if you space meals and snacks too close together, then you might not be hungry and you might not need that amount of food. But if you place them too far apart, then you're likely to become very hungry. And the next time that you actually get that chance to eat that snack or eat that meal, then you're likely to have more than you originally would have had you not been that hungry. So my recommendation, start with a general guideline of having a meal or a snack every 3 to 4 hours, and then gradually base it off of when you actually get hungry. Try to have something to eat when you are feeling hungry, but you're not at the point of starving yet. So step number 4 is to have a lot more whole grains. Now, having whole grains or products that are made from whole grains means that you're eating grains that are less processed. And because of that, you have more fiber, you have more protein, antioxidants, and the original levels of vitamins and minerals that were originally in the grain itself. So therefore, choose things like whole wheat pita versus white pita, whole grain bread or whole wheat bread versus white breads. Other whole grains that you can choose to be a part of your meals include wild rice or brown rice, farro, which is another type of wheat, steel cut oats or rolled oats, barley, quinoa, and bulgur, amongst others. Therefore, include whole grains in your meals and snacks to boost your fiber, protein, vitamin, and mineral intake. The 5th and final step on how to eat healthy and the final foundational basics of nutrition is healthy hydration. Staying hydrated is so important for so many functions in our body. For example, managing our blood pressure, managing our body temperature, cushioning our joints and organs, helping with digestion, as well as just moving different nutrients and waste throughout the body. Now, the best option, hands down, you've probably heard, is gonna be water. But if you are someone who really enjoys sodas or carbonated things, then I would recommend switching to a type of carbonated soda that's flavored but also not sweetened. You can also choose coffee and tea. But with these 2, I would encourage you to really be aware of exactly what and how much of any additional items that you're putting in. For example, things like sugar, maple syrup, honey, and also cream. And finally, another option is, of course, milk or a fortified milk alternative like this soy milk that I have here, to really help give you that chance to meet your calcium and vitamin D needs. Now remember, these are the nutrition basics here. There are a ton of other things that could change or maybe should change depending on your unique needs. But if you're someone who is just looking to eat a bit more healthy or have a healthier lifestyle and are just really not sure where to start, then I really hope you found your answer in this video. Until next time.